Brenda Ainsburg, and I am the Channel Program Manager for the Americas Channel for Siemens Digital Industries Software. So our events program runs the gamut from on-site to hybrid to virtual. As soon as the pandemic hit, it was incredible. We had to pivot from about 95% on-site, all of a sudden to 100% virtual. This was a new world for us, even as a technology company. We just didn't know which direction to turn. The Virtual Attendee Hub saved our conference, completely saved it. Cvent Event Management and its registration tools helped us control the registration with all the security features that we needed. Then we needed a delivery system for the virtual content, which we did 99.5% live. So the Virtual Attendee Hub was so easy for our attendees, our partners, to learn how to use and to get engagement through. So first of all, for our keynote general session, we used Cvent Advanced Production Services. We did go 100% live with all of our other breakout sessions. And we used a combination of Cvent Video Player Live, and then on the other hand, for our principal sessions and our executive sessions and special sales keynote speakers, we used full collaborative. And lastly, we were able, because Cvent is so flexible, to use a third-party translation services, so live and concurrently, we were able to offer Portuguese and Spanish translation of English keynote speakers. It was amazing. In our last on-site event, we had 400 attendees. We had no idea what registration would be like going completely virtual. Well, I'm happy to report we doubled registration and we almost doubled attendance. We also saved about $400,000 overall. Hybrid is definitely here to stay, and while things are changing and we're getting back to more and more on-site, we're absolutely going to have a digital component. So training and certification, of course, I was running to Cvent Academy, consuming everything I could about virtual and hybrid events, because I feel like not only am I an event architect, but I really have to handle the technology as well as the overall project management of events and the budgeting and the marketing and communications. So the more certifications I get in Cvent, the deeper my knowledge is and the broader I can go and serve Siemens needs. The community was mission critical because as everything was changing, all of these brilliant other event planners with all this experience were sharing their best practices. All of these experts are reaching out and helping each other up. We're not competitors, we're collaborators, even if we work for other companies. That's the beauty of Cvent community. The reason why I'm a Cvent evangelist is because over several years, I have seen Cvent always reaching out to their customers, asking us for our input and meeting our needs. We're a technology company, and our technology through Cvent being able to reach our partners and reach our customers and prospects, we're able to help them thrive. And I feel that they're at the top of the event management game, whether it's on-site, virtual, or hybrid.